Today in front of me I have the ARLO Pro 3 camera bundle, and in today's video I'll show how you can talk into your ARLO Pro 3 camera. So first you will need to launch the ARLO Secure app. Here go into the devices section, open the camera view of the camera you would like to talk into, like let's say I'll go with this one. Here tap at this mic icon, then this and well, by unmuting your voice, you can talk into camera. Hello.
Hello.
Do you hear me? Stop robbing my house. So I guess that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching and bye bye.